Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So, today guys, it is new project reveal day. This is going to be just a quick walk around introduction to the new project. This is a little bit different. I've never done one of these cars before. Not the make, nor the model. It's something that's, completely different to me. And something for you guys, something different for you guys to watch as well than the normal stuff that I get. So yeah, let's see how this goes. But I think it's quite a popular car, quite a car that everyone sort of seems to be asking for at the minute, I think. So let's just see how it goes. So I'm going to bring her in. We're not going to be working on the wife's Range Rover at all for the end of this week. Today's Thursday, so I'm not going to be able to get to that till Monday now. I'm just not in tomorrow, but I'm going to show you guys some new projects today, tomorrow, Saturday. So I'm going to be doing some filming today for the next couple of days to show you the new projects that I got. In the end, I think it was five new projects in one day I got, which is probably it is the most I've ever bought from an auction in one day. 5 cars. So yeah, but not too bad because all 5 cars only cost me £6,500 for all 5 cars. So I did get a good bargain on all of them. So let's get cracking. I'll bring it in. I'll show you what we've got, what we're dealing with. Let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, the new project is just behind me. Like I said, it's something I've never done before, so a little bit exciting for me as well. Let's just get into it. This is going to be just an introduction to the vehicle, and then over the next week or so, we're going to get into it and start the repairs. So let me show you what we've got. It is a Toyota Argo. Never done one of these before. The make or the model. I've never done a Toyota on the channel. So I thought, you know what? These are a right popular and reliable little car with the engine. I know, guys, before anyone messaged me, I know that it's the same as the Citroen C1, the Peugeot 106, I think it is. It's the same type of basic car, but they all use the Toyota engine, I believe. So I've not done one of these before, so I don't know much about them. This is a Fire version of this car, so I don't know what that means. I think I'm gonna have to look into it, see what the spec is, see what comes with it, see what's supposed to be working and what not supposed to be there. It is a 62 plate, but it's a 2012, and it's a category N, non-structural, only front damage. It is pretty dirty, I've got to be honest, but everything else looks okay around the car, but I don't, you don't really know until you clean it. But we'll get into that next week. You can start seeing where the damage is on the front here. So this is the damage. Bumper, bonnet, headlights, normal stuff, guys. But what a small engine bay. And funny enough, it's got a Ford battery on it, look. I don't know why there's a Ford battery on it, but there is. So yeah, I'm assuming slam panel, crash bar, front end. The normal stuff, guys. You get on the front end. So we're gonna take it all apart, get it all off, strip it all down, have a good look at it, see what needs to be done. The wing as well, that needs to be done. You can see that it's been pushed in that way. Doors are right, I believe. I think. I'm not sure because I just don't know about these cars. I'm not sure about that door now, because that should be straight. Yeah, I think that door needs a little bit of work. Maybe the paint shop might be able to sort that out. I don't know. I don't really know. But yeah, we're going to start stripping this one down next week. But what I like, it's quite a popular car, these ones now. I think they're a 1 litre petrol engine. It's a little bit dirty inside. This is, you know, normal stuff from Coparts and salvage auctions and stuff. They're just, yeah, just a bit dirty. It's got 1 key. No paperwork. I can't find no books or anything in this car whatsoever. Strange, it's a 5-door. Tiny little car. And it's got 5 doors, isn't it? Are they Isofix as well? Yeah, they are. So they're Isofix on the back seats as well for the kids' seats. So you could get the kids in here. Oh, that's crazy. But yeah, I picked this one up yesterday. It's quite spacious in the back, I've got to be honest. Get in the back. Yeah. You can actually sit in the back all right. A little bit cramped. But yeah, that's crazy. I don't know. I suppose that just pops out, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's have a look in the boot. It's got a glass, blue heated glass as well, so that's good. Parcel shelf. I think that's just dirt in it. Yeah, that's just dirt and grime. A bit of carpet and stuff in there. Bits of why's there timber in the back? It's weird. Some more timber there as well. It's weird. I'll get all that out and throw that. Sorry guys, someone come to the door there, so I had to cut off quickly and have a chat with him. But yeah, what was we going? We was going around, weren't we? So yeah, that's the boot. That's that done. But yeah, what do we think so far of the Toyota Argo? What's this? Oh, black box. That's a black box, that is. So yeah, just rubbish, normal stuff, rubbish. I'll try and see if there's any logbooks, but there's nothing that I've seen already. It runs and drives. You know, it starts, it runs and drives. It's a little bit funny on the front because obviously the front is obviously maybe touching the fan. I think it is. Let me show you. So yeah, it's done. $79,500 miles. 79,523 miles, if you want to be exact. But yeah, aircon, which comes on and off, but it might have been empty because of the actual display. I thought that was like a radio display. I think it's not. It's just. Oh, let me come out again. It's not a radio display. I thought that was a radio there, something like that, but it's not. Any CDs? Oh, we got a CD, guys. We got a CD. 25. Is that Adele? I think that's Adele, isn't it? Maybe. But yeah, you know, runs and drives. There's no on the dash. There's no lights. It's a tiny little car. This is, I think it's free road tax on this one as well. If I believe I'm right, I'm not. I'll have to check it out. But yeah, these are getting very, very popular in a minute. It's got these daytime running lights on the front. Show you. See these little strips here. So I think this is the facelift version of this. I'm just guessing because I've not seen them before on the bumpers, and I've been looking around for parts already. Ticking over all right, I've got to be honest, quite nicely. No damage to the windscreen, so that's good. so we ain't got to worry about that. And, you know, once I've cleaned it up, clean it all out, clean it up, get the front end back on, bonnet, bumper, headlights, slam panel, crash bar. I think it might have actually skimmed the crash bar, but we've got to check it. Can you see that? Look, as it's gone there, that's the actual crash bar there. So it might have just popped over the top of it, but we've got to... Normal stuff, guys. We've got to take it all apart. We've got to, you know, have a look at it. But I'm assuming if it's gone over the top of the crash bar, then it's probably hit and smashed the actual slam panel. Stuff like that. But... yeah, we'll probably end up changing that crash bar anyway. We'll probably get like a complete front end for it. So that crash bar will be out of the way anyway, gone. But yeah, what do we think so far on the new project? Yeah, it's kind of starting to grow on me a little bit, I've got to be honest, this car. There's not much to it in here. There's not much in here, is there? But yeah, I just thought it'd be something a little bit different for me to do, a little bit something different for you guys to watch. And you know, it's interesting to me to see if how quickly this sells, or what the interest in it. Do you know what I mean? It's going to be a cheap car. And it's I think it's going to be all right. It's going to be a nice tidy one once I've cleaned it all up. No locking wheel nuts on the wheels, on the bolts, so that's good. I ain't got to worry about that either. But yeah, I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to this. It's going to be next week. We need to finish off the wife's Range Rover first, and then we can start on these projects. But this is number 1 of the 5 that I bought the other day. So this is the first one. I'm going to pick the next one up in a bit. And yeah, I'll be showing you the next one tomorrow. And yeah, but I'm looking forward to this one. I'm looking forward to getting into it, you know, see what it's all about, because it's something new, something different. It's you know, we'll see how it goes. But what do we think? Drop me a comment. Let me know, guys. What do we think about the new Toyota Argo project? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Look at the size of this aerial. It's ridiculously long. Like, it's crazy long. Look how long this is. It goes right up like that. Can you see how long that is? I suppose you can't see it properly, can you? It's so long. Doesn't have to be that long, does it? But yeah, there we go. Right. That's the end of the little project in a minute, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.